everyone, I'm FIGH, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all a week in my hair, a week in my wash and go. Before I hop into the video, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Now let's hop into things. I guess first things first, this is a 6-day-old wash and go, so I did my hair 6 days ago. Let me know in the comments below if you need me to define what a wash and go is for you, and I will. But yeah, so I am going to show you all how I maintain this throughout the week, what I do when I work out, what I do when I sleep. So I hope that this video is really helpful. Now let's hop into things so you can see how I got to this point. June 19th. And to preserve my hair for working out, I wear this thing called a buff to absorb sweat and also wick away moisture. I also wear a different buff to go to bed at night, and I have a video on that. I'll link that up in the cards. But here's my hair today. And this is after working out 4 days this week. Still a little bit wet in the roots, but it's gonna dry. But today, actually, I'm gonna wash it because my scalp is kind of itching. This is the date. It's still June 19th. So this is my hair. I've sat under the dryer. It's dry for the most part. Of course, you know, there are some spots on the inside that are still a little damp, but that's gonna dry throughout the day. And I'm getting ready to go to the store. Yeah, look at the time. I know, it's a shame. Super lazy Sunday. But I do have workouts tonight. So I'm going to take this off. And this is what my hair looks like underneath it. I have a video linked up in the cards so you can see how I put this on at night. But I just took it off for you all. This is how my hair looks. And now I'm going to shake my hair. See where this is going. This and just, you know, shaking it, waking it up. Day 2. It's still day 2 of my wash and go. Just finished working out with my trainer. Got on my buff. I'm gonna take this off when my hair is more dry. It's still pretty wet. When my hair dries down a little bit more, I will take the buff off and I will put on my other buff, my black buff, for bedtime. And I'm saying buff, B-U-F-F. Okay, so it's still day 2, June 20th. And I have taken off my buff. I let my hair dry a bit. I'm not gonna touch it too much. It's still kind of wet at the roots. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my other buff to go to bed. It is day 3. And you know, I try not to keep on this around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and I'm going to go ahead and shake my hair. So let's go ahead and take that off. Just going to take it off. And this is my hair. Okay, now I'm going to shake it. Oh, I love the way my hair smells. It smells like my conditioner. Let me put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm just gonna stick my hand. Shake it. Alright, so let me turn to the side. And turn to the back. Side. And back to the front. Everyone, it's day 4. On yesterday, I did go grocery shopping, and I did go to UPS, and it was pretty humid because it had rained yesterday here in North Texas. Let me show you all the dates. Oh, that's a picture of my husband. Can you all see that? June 22nd. Oh, my hair still smells so good. This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. Shake it for you all. And this is my day for hair. Alright, it is of this wash and go, and I'm just going to take this off, and I'm going to go run errands for the house, CVS, grocery, etc. This is the front, this is the side, this is the back. And now I'm gonna go run errands. So still day 5 of my wash and go. I just finished working out with my trainer. I'm gonna go shower, and I'm gonna keep my buff on. And I'm gonna wait until my hair dries a bit. The sweat kind of dries a bit more, and then I'm gonna take this buff off. Still day 5, and I need to go ahead and take this off. Let's take this off. And shake, 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 shake. Alright, and I'm gonna put on my other buff, my black one, for bed. I'm not gonna sleep in the sweaty one. This whole section of my hair is wet right now. It did not dry very much. Hi everyone, it is day 6, the final day of a week in my wash and go. See, it's June 24th. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my buff for you all that I slept in last night. I haven't taken it off yet today. Okay, this is what we're working with. And then I'm going to my day 6 hair. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back. Shake it for y'all. Shake it. Shake it. Alright, I've worked out twice since I washed my hair 6 days ago. They were intense workouts. I've been outside quite a few times to run errands. It is currently 100 degrees here in Texas during the day, so my head was quite sweaty throughout the day. It is pretty humid here in Texas, in North Texas where I'm at. So this is how my hair holds up after 6 days. I think that it is extremely beautiful. My hair can carry on for about 8 days and still look pretty good, but I am going to wash my hair today because my scalp is on fire. Because I sweat in my head, my scalp itches pretty bad. You might have actually seen it yesterday when I took the bonnet off after working out. You might have seen the salt at the front of my head. The salt from my sweat and just build up on my scalp that makes my head itch quite bad. So if my head is itching, I know it's time for me to clean my hair. So yeah, today I'm going to wash my hair. So a couple things if you didn't notice. So throughout the week, I do not add any additional product to my hair. I basically just get up, take my buff off, shake my hair, use my hand to fluff it like this maybe, or go like this, and I am out the door. That is what I do throughout the week. I don't reapply anything, and I don't need to. My hair is not dry or anything like that. I basically re-moisturize my hair by cleansing it with a proper cleanser, with an appropriate cleanser, using a moisturizing conditioner, and then going in with my styling products which aid in helping my hair retain moisture. So I go in with those things, and my hair retains moisture for however long until I wash it again, and I typically wash it now. I've changed it to every 5 to 6 days, but I know my hair can last up to 8 days no problem and look good, but my scalp can't. I was editing this video, and I realized that it's really important for me to say that my hair didn't start out looking like this. I didn't just buy the right products and my hair turned out like this. My hair ended up being able to last this long and look this good because I have been following Black Girl Curls. That's a group of stylists. I've been following their philosophies and the instructions of my stylist since December 2019. So I've been following healthy hair care practices such as getting a trim every quarter, as well as using higher quality products and using wise techniques when caring for my hair. I've been doing that since December 2019, and that's how my hair got to the health that it is, in order for it to look the way it does, in order for it to be hydrated in the way that it is, as opposed to dehydrated and dry. So I wanted to make sure that I inserted that. My hair, you can go look at previous videos, and you'll see that there were times when my hair didn't look that great, but I kept going with this approach. And I would say from December 2019 to about August 2020, when I hit August 2020, that's when I started to see the biggest difference in my hair, and my curl definition started to last longer. Not as long as it does now, but it started to last longer, and my curl definition started to look a lot better. And also the sheen of my hair, or what some people might think is shine, started to show up a lot more in my hair. So I hope that this was helpful. So just let me know if you have any questions for me about my weekly routine or anything like that, or if you want to talk about your weekly routine, drop down in the comments and do it. Once again, my name is FIGH. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.